Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable director's mode on Snapchat. They actually just removed it and instead just placed the arrow so that you'll have more options and you don't really need to enable it. So to do that, you're just going to select the arrow underneath the moon, and as you can see, there is a flip, a flash, sounds, night mode, multi-snap, a timer, video stability, green screen, tone, as well as grid. Now, if you were to flip the camera around, you'll have what it's called a selfie mode. I'm just gonna flip it, and you'll see the ceiling up there. But you're going to see some more options. You'll see where is that? You'll see the selfie settings, which you can press, and you can basically add a beauty filter to your face. You can add concealer, foundation, you can make your teeth whiter, you can adjust your lip color, and you can even add in some lashes. You can even make it auto, and you're just going to adjust it to your face, and once you're done, you're going to hit the save button there, and you can even press the trash icon on the right side to delete it. And I'm just going to press X here, and as you can see, there's also the options for video stability, green screen. Oops, sorry, I was getting mad about this account. Anywho, there's one for the tone as well. I don't really know what it does actually. And there's the grid one here. There's a night mode for when it's dark. Just press on it again if you want to remove it. You can even enable flash so that if you take a picture, it's going to be there. You can even select the ring one here, so when you're in selfie mode, it won't be dark. You can even choose between these colors. There's the white light, there's this warm light here, and there's this blue light. You can turn it to the highest setting here or to the lowest setting there. And there's this regular one. And yeah, that's pretty much the director's mode. It's pretty much the same thing. You can add sound stairs. You can enable the timer if you want to take a video. Let me just flip this real quick back to the original camera. I just have it off. If you want to turn any setting off, just go to the icon and select it again, and it's going to turn off. Same with every other director setting that they have, so you don't need to really enable it anymore. It's just there for you to access. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And that is how you can basically edit more on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well in the description box. Well, I think it's above it a little bit. But yeah, that is it. Hope this video helped you to upgrade the quality of your snaps, get that snap streak, and yeah, have fun with it. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.